Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. My name is Nur Shafika Julia binti Razali, and I'm joined by Muhammad Shazwan bin Abdul Hakim. Without further ado, today we will be discussing about our mini project, which is Einstein Calculator. Embark on a journey to unlock the power of mathematics with the Einstein Calculator, the ultimate multifunctional calculator. With its cutting-edge combination of geometry, physics, and arithmetic, this calculator will take you to the depth of mathematical mastery and beyond, from the vast expanse of shape area to the intricate volume of three-dimensional object. This calculator has got you covered. And with its versatile unit converter, you can now make seamless conversions between units of measure, just like Einstein himself. So join us in this quest to conquer the complexities of mathematics and unlock your full potential with the Einstein calculator, the key to true mathematical power. Welcome to the world of Einstein Calculator, where unlocking the power of mathematics has never been easier. With its advanced technologies and innovative design, this multifunctional calculator is the ultimate solution to all your mathematical needs. Say goodbye to manual calculations of shapes, area, and volumes, or the hassle of switching between tools for unit conversions. This program seamlessly integrates all of these features, providing you with the comprehensive solution to your mathematical problems. And just like Einstein, the program also includes the essential capabilities of a basic calculator, ensuring that you have all the tools you need at your fingertips. So embrace a new era of calculation and unlock the full air potential of mathematics with the Einstein calculator. Join us on the exciting journey and experience the power of efficiency of true mathematical precision and accuracy. Next, let's move on the objective of the Einstein calculator, the true future for mathematics. Unlock the power of mathematics with the Einstein calculator, named after one of history's greatest minds. This multifunctional calculator embodies the spirit of innovative and efficiency. This multifunctional calculator embodies the spirit of innovation and efficiency. Its advanced capabilities, including shape, area, and volumes calculations, unit conversions, and basic arithmetic functions, make it the ideal tool for everyone looking to evaluate the mathematical skills, whether you are students, professional, or simply someone seeking for more efficient calculation process. The Einstein calculator is the key to unlocking your full mathematical potential. Don't settle for ordinary calculator that falls short of providing comprehensive solutions. Join us on this journey to mathematical mastery and experience the true power of Einstein calculator. The objective of Project the Einstein Calculator Unlock the Power of Mathematics is to provide a comprehensive solutions for mathematical calculations. The aim is to create a calculator that can perform not only basic arithmetic functions, but also complex calculations such as shape areas, volume, and unit conversions. This will eliminate the needs for multiple tools and streamline the calculation process, make it more efficient and convenient. The project intends to provide a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate, reducing the chance of error and frustration. Additionally, the project aims to make the mathematical calculation accessible to people of all levels, whether they are students, professionals, or just someone in need of a reliable calculator. The ultimate goal is to empower people with the tools and confidence to tackle any mathematical challenge, unlocking the true power of mathematics. In a world where mathematics play a crucial role in almost every aspect of our world, the need for a reliable and efficient calculator is paramount. However, conventional calculators often fall short, providing only basic arithmetic functions and leave the user struggling with more complex calculation. This can lead to error, frustration, and ultimately a lack of confidence in one's mathematical abilities. The solution? Our multifunctional calculator. With its unique combination of shape, area, volume with its unique combination of shape, area, and volume calculations, unit conversions, and unique arithmetic functions, this program eliminates the needs for multiple tools and streamlines the calculation process. Whether you are a student, professional, or simply someone in need of a powerful calculator, our multifunctional calculator is the answer to your mathematical needs. Say goodbye to the limitation of ordinary calculator and embrace the power of mathematical efficiency with our innovative solution. Imagine a student studying geometry who needs to calculate the volume of a complex 3D shape. With a conventional calculator, this task would be time-consuming and prone to error. But with our multifunctional calculator, the task is effortless. The student simply inputs the necessary dimensions, select the volumes, calculation functions, and within the second, receive an accurate result. This same student may also need to convert units of measurement for physics problem, and with the built-in unit converter feature, the task is complete with ease. The versatility of our multifunctional calculator eliminates the needs for multiple tools, saving time and reducing the potential for error. In this example, the power of our program is clear, and it serves a testament to its ability to enhance the mathematical experience for users everywhere. The Einstein Calculator, Unlock the Power of Mathematics, is a project seek to revolutionize the way we approach mathematical problems. The multifunctional calculator at the center of this project embodies the essence of Albert Einstein's innovative and efficient thinking. The ability to calculate complex shape and perform unit converter with ease is a testament to the power of this program. By unlocking the full potential of mathematical calculation, Einstein Calculator provides students, professionals, and individuals alike with the confidence and tools necessary to tackle any mathematical challenge. So, join us in this journey to unlock the power of mathematics and experience the unparalleled precision and accuracy of the Einstein Calculator.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to Madam Nurul Sheila, our lecturer of the subject of CSE 4 to 5 Introduction of Computer Programming, whom I respect, and all the viewers for our video presentations. The name has been given to me is Muhammad Sazan bin Rakim, the owner of the first semester student number 2022812524, and I will be the second presenter today. I will continue with the presentation of the Einstein Calculator project flowcharts, the source of coding briefing, and the conduct of the brief demonstration of our final project in this semester. Hope you all will be impressed with our presentations and our project in this time. Without further ado, let's continue this presentation session smoothly. So here, in this first presentation in my session, I will present about the flowchart concept that we will do in our project. So we use the flowchart here. We start with the word start, then we make the several integration function that we will use, such as the word load, word go to site, word title, header 1, and many more. Next, we provide a creative loading screens based on our research to grab our users' attentions and display it, and the display of the loading screen will show about 5 to 10 minutes about 5 to 10 seconds after the loading screens are displayed in our projects. The creating display and project objective will be displayed, and in these sessions the user can apply any key and enter to continue the Einstein calculator systems. So 3 options will be displayed to user: register, login, and exit. Before I go further, I would like to state here that we use the complex registration system that allow users to continue using our Einstein calculator optimally. User cannot continue to use our system without the correct registered username and password. So is it clear here? So for option 1, we will declare the variable string username and passwords. A display will appear asking the user to enter the new and unregistered usernames. If it's true, so the data will be stored in the user information txt files that will be created by DevC password automatically for the scanning convenience. So if the user enter the username that is repeat, our system will repeat the question again and again until the user enter the new ones. So next, the system will be ask user to enter the passwords of their choice for the username they have successfully registered with just now. So username and password data will be stored in the file of user information txt, and registration will successful, and user will continue to return to the main menu. So for the second options, choice equal to 2 is our main function system that will make our Einstein calculator system works. So first, the user will be taken to the system login, where our system will ask the user for their username and password that has been registered yearly. So user are required to fill the correct username and password. Display statement invalid username and password will be display statement invalid username and password, please try again will be appear. If there are an error from the data entered by the user. So in this session, Dev C++ will automatically open and read back the data stored in the user information txt file to identify the validity of the username and password entered. So when everything is done, the user will be taken to the user menu that looks like this, and the user will given 5 options that has been displayed, namely basic calculator, shape array calculator, volume calculator, unit converter, and logout. Okay, I would like to apologize because this part is quite long and too basic, and we have done this before, so I will only go through the important parts here. So for option 1 from the user menu, integer option 1 equal to 1 is as our we will do next. We will start with the declaration variable here. We have created option 3 double number 1, number 2, and result. Also integer decimal points. For this decimal point, all the further answer in our Einstein calculator will be set at 4 decimal points. So in the general area, volume, and unit converter will be given the answer accurate to 4 decimal place, except for the basic calculator function, because we want to apply the user-friendly concept where we want user can choose the correct answer between 0 to 4 decimal places. So is it here? Let's continue. Basic calculator option display will appear. So user will be asked to insert their first and second number. After that, the operation option will appear to give space to user to choose the operation they want. So in this system we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and 2 other options. We also put the exit function for the user to return to the user menu after finish or making a mistake when selecting a function in the user menu early. So the user will need to enter the letter of correspond to the display option A to G. Option C will return to the user menu, and option A and 2H will place the process function where the correct formula will like this. Display the required decimal accuracy, and the answer will show accurate according to the user request. After that, looping occurs where the user will not exit the basic calculator function until the G option is pressed. Oh, and how do we fix the decimal point here? Must be the use of the separation conditions. So, time to speed up the presentation. For our area, there is a variable declaration like this. The user needs to enter the choice shape that has been displayed on the screen, whether a circle shape, triangle shape, square, and other. Option H to return the user to the user menu. So option A to G, the system will ask the user to enter some shape data information such as radius, height, and base as request later. So in this process, we will enter the area formula of correspond to the select shape, and we use the MPI as the constant pi value function with the presence of CMAT library and MATH library. If the user chooses the wrong choice, the invalid shape statement will be displayed, and the user will be asked to fill all the information again and again. So answer will display neatly. Volume and converter are the same methods. So here the declaration, decision, the process, and the answer here. For the unit converter, we have declaration, decision, process, and also answer. For option to log out in the main menu, option 3, the system will make the user back to the main menu, and the exit function here will be displayed bye and system ends. So all set. So we will continue with the source of coding and demonstration later. Thank you. So I will continue with the source coding of the project Einstein calculator. So from the first line until 36 lines are the detail of the reports that we wrote back in the dev C++. Line 42 until 52 is the dev C++ library declaration that we use in this project. We also add the comments to make it easier for the examiner to mark our project. We have include bits stdc++.h for include all the standard C++ header, include math.h for mathematical function and constant, include string for providing string manipulation capability, include fstring for the storing input and output operation, iostring for input and output in the system, conio.h function for manipulate or input and output string, cstdlite.h and stdlite.h both are the memories, allocation, conversation and so on. Finally, define delay x and sleep x multiply 1000. We also have using namespace here, namespace std here, and function list from lines 5, 6 until 77. We have go to site function to be used in the loading maker for our system, which we have the ANSI escape sequence for go to site here, and the loading functions. We have a system class for clearing unwanted screen before and come up with the new ones. For the statement users here, go to site for the top loading screens and bottom loading screens, and the exclamation marks will come up for the delay and movement actions. So the title function here just use the basic layout functions here. Same with the header ones and header functions here. We can scan on the board if the user exists to check whether the username already exists or not in the user information file. Open the file here, and if it is, the output will be true and the file will close to continue the project. Otherwise, the output will become false. Registration function on the void register user in the line 155 until 177. This already be present in our flowchart video, and we put the system pause to make it the system pause until the user press the button enter on their keyboards, so they can read the answer and all the display that will come out later. So the same concept apply in the logging system on the lines 180, as we already explained in the first chat illustration in our previous video. In the void user menu functions, we make the display like this and use the switch functions statements. For its decision, we have the basic calculator function, calculate area, calculate volume, calculator converter, and uses for the exit. So basic calculator function in line 241 until 312. Don't worry, the coding actually the simple ones and it will be easy to understand, but the declaration maybe take a lot of space here. So we already discussed it in the previous video, but I will go through update one by one. So here is the declaration title. As for output first and second number here, display operation option, and as for depth from the user. Then if and else statement method uses for the option in the formula operation here, as it will make it back to the basic calculator function, which it will be reset it. So then as for the decimal place, for users need between 0 until 4 decimal place. So here is the condition and here is the answer will be. So move on. Calculate area function from 314 until 412 lines. So here is the header function, display of the shape option, and as for it from the user. If and else statement method here for the decision, and also add the formula on each of them. Here is the answer will be in 4 decimal place and it will be returned to the area functions. So it will always be reset after the answer will come out. So same method for the calculate volume function here in lines 415 until 100. So I will not explain it again because it is all the same methods here. So calculate converter for this program is from line 52x until 57x. So we use the method of listing down the function first, for these lines and add the formula of their needs on each of them. So here is the declaration and the one here, and display the list of converted function, so the system will ask for them from the user. So switch statement method uses here, don't forget the breaks, and we're done. So we are getting close to the end. So function word uses where we have a declaration of integer choice, header function here, and the system will ask for input from the user whether it is 1, 2, 3 or otherwise. So for option 1, we will go to the void register user. After finish registration, it will be go back to the user functions. So for the second option 2, the user will go to the header, bool status equal to login, to scan the username if there is an error for invalid username, and if it is an error, so invalid username and password, please try again statement will be appear and ask for the user to return to the user functions. Otherwise, the user will successfully log in and go to the directly to the user menu functions. The third option 3, will display bye bye and the system will co-ends. So in addition, invalid output and please try again will appear if the user mistakenly enter the wrong integer. So the user will return to the user's function again. So here is the main function of the system, is located on lines 631 until 638, where we put all the function that will make our system successfully works. So namely function is load, title, that again function use, and return 0 to end these functions. Thank you.